Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today some very fast and delicious pasta. Bucatini, leek, mushroom and dried tomato. Easy, 10-15 minutes, everything is ready. We need some bucatini, you can find in any supermarket. They have, it's like spaghetti, they have hole in the middle. We need some leek, some just Parmesan, some dry tomato, we need some butter and some mushrooms, okay? It's very easy guys. Now, first thing we're gonna chop some, the water is already on, some mushroom, we just chop like that. I show you, this is gonna be my dinner. Okay, when I cut some more mushroom, I show you the next step. Okay guys, the mushroom, they're gonna be very exaggerated, a lot of mushroom. The water is already boiling and I'm going to put the bucatini inside. Leave it like that. Here some olive oil. Here we need a generoso, okay? The mushroom in. Later we're gonna just salt, pepper, I use some garlic powder, I'm gonna show you. Now is the time to cut the leek. The leek, I recommend you to do this. Again, in the middle, do a quickly wash. And we cut like that, okay? Okay, when we cut this, already the mushroom, you can hear them. Oh, I'm gonna show you this mushroom, they start cooking, the noise, that is the water out from the mushroom, okay? Okay, 1 minute and we're gonna add the leek. I'm gonna show you the next step, okay? Okay guys, the mushroom is already 1 minute, 1.5 minutes. Now we add the leek, everything like this, oh, beautiful, okay. Okay, leave to cook. Now is the moment we add some salt, like that. You choose how much you like. Some black pepper. I like some garlic powder. A nice touch of paprika, sweet paprika, and a teaspoon of soy sauce. Okay, this cook another couple minutes. And we're gonna add some butter now, okay? I'll show you when is the butter time. See you soon. Oh guys, the smell is absolutely wow. Now we add some butter and these dried tomatoes, okay? And the job is almost done. Now when the pasta, we need that the pasta gonna be very al dente and we finish to cook in this sauce, okay? I'll show you the next step. The sauce is ready because we're gonna cook this a little bit when we put the pasta. Now it's gas off. Always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on channel, check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Now guys, everything is perfect, wow. It's nothing then, mushroom and leek is absolutely delicious. Now when the pasta is al dente, we're gonna mix everything. I gonna cook a little bit more and I show you next step, okay? The pasta is al dente. I need the help of my camera woman. Thank you. And now we some pasta here. Save some water from the cooking. Yeah, like this. A lot of people when they want to do this dish, someone like put cream, but I prefer like that. Now guys, when you save some water from add some water like this. Gonna cook another 3 minutes like that, and it's ready. Okay. Okay. See you in 2-3 minutes, and later we're gonna try it. The job is done. The smell is absolutely wow. The bucatini is look at that. They big like that, you see? Now it's time to try, guys. I know it's hot, you know? Wow, absolutely delicious. 12-14 minutes to make this leek mushroom and pasta is super nice, guys. Anyway, bucatini in the end here, guys, if you want some Parmesan on the top, you know, is up to you. You can use your fantasy. You know, later when we make a nice picture for the presentation plate, we put some Parmesan on top. But anyway, the bucatini with leek mushroom and dry tomato, it is, if you like, guys, absolutely delicious. Figure out and follow us. Ciao!